Right, there we are, Stuart. That's my Bowman 158, M158 I should say. It's had a refurbishment, but not my usual strip it all down and obliterate it with a Black & Decker mouse. Rather, it's had a sand down, rust proofing, and hand painted with Umbro enamel. The main reason is I wanted to save this transfer, and I didn't mask it. I painted freehand around that. I think it's come out quite well, so I haven't lost me. I still got a relatively steady hand, if I can't say it. Anyway, 3 coats of the green Umbro enamel there. The engine frame's the same, just rub down any rust spots or whatever, treated with Vatcan rust proofer, which also acts as a primer, and that's had 3 coats of Umbro red, Ferrari red actually. I don't think it's come out too bad, looks okay. You probably noticed the pulley there are Meccano pulleys that I bought off the internet, and they are identical to the Bowman small pulley. So what I did, I bought some, these are steel ones, same thing, the others are in brass obviously. I bought some of these ordinary bossless pulleys and some of these with a boss on and a bolt so you can hold them in place. What I did, I soldered 2 of these together and soldered both of them to one of these, and then you end up with one of them. So now I can have 3 pulleys going on for that, plus one there and another one down there, so 5 in all. Will it run 5 toys? Well, I doubt it, but they're there anyway. I think they look good. Right, start this thing up. That's quiet. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I know the gear wheel's wobbly. It took me half hour this morning to get it as wobbly as that. It was worse than that. But they all seem to do it, these smaller Bowmans, because the actual shaft here is too small really, and you can actually just twist it. But anyway, not too bad, runs okay. Alright, turn it up. Full blast. So there you go. How's that? So 15 RPM. Sorry, 1500 RPM. Doesn't seem quite as fast as the M140, but they're close. Slow it down, see how slow we can get it. Still running in really, because everything's been changed round. Added bits to it, like that bigger pulley. Let's see how stiff it is. It doesn't feel very stiff when I'm turning it out by hand, but that's probably about as slow as I'm going to get it, to be fair. Well, ain't bad, is it? It was in a fair old state when I got it, all in bits, in a box, the original box. Firebox was rusty, and I actually put my finger through the front end. I've got about a 1/4 inch square hole there, but I haven't done anything with it because you can't actually see it. But I think, you know, in time I'm going to need to make an end plate up just to fit over that. I don't know, I don't know if it's silver solder steel, but I'll stick it on there somehow. There we are. What's that? That's 7 psi, I would say. Nice little engine. It's obviously half of my M140, which has got a double cylinder, a double piston arrangement there. Whereas this one's only got a single. But still a really nice engine. And I've got a real transfer. Saved. And that's it. It's good enough for me, I think. So that's my Bowman M158. Up and running and looking quite reasonable, I think. Thank you. Let's turn it on.